Good morning, welcome everyone. Welcome chat, hey, how you doing? Great community. Good evening for some of you. We have great community members from Asia, pretty much from all around the world. Welcome guys, great to see you. Welcome everyone, welcome on board, hey. We're ready to fly, we're ready to get started. And we're gonna distribute the video in a second. Make sure to like the video everyone, come on. Let's get those numbers flying. Let's get those numbers flying. We're gonna trade today and continue. And of course, have a lovely time together. Hope you had a great day so far. Let me share with you what's happening on Nasdaq here about a breakout. We have some lines from yesterday, but we certainly have our 545 limiting us. Yep. I think we're gonna cross that today, especially with a daily opening 545. It's gonna be a beautiful time. Good morning, welcome everyone. Let me also send you the link to sign up now for the giveaway. I'll send you the link, guys, for the giveaway. I'll put a link in chat. $150K. There you go, chat. You have the link in Discord. You have the link on our chat as well. Good morning, welcome. Great to see you, everyone. I did wanted to see what's happening on the calendar. I'd like to test out along
Order
here
filled.
2 contracts.
Order filled.
Yeah, they have the capability of pushing.
Order filled.
I would be happy to actually monetize that. All the way to our target. $42,000 for non-farm employment change, higher than expected. Yes, yes. I am trading every single day for free here. You don't have to pay anything to access. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it. We're also having our great community on Discord. Oh, thank you, Maddie. Feeling much better. Feeling really good. We're trading multiple prop firms. SIM funded account, live accounts, everything. Let's go, guys. Come on. Make sure to like the video, subscribe. We're streaming from 8 AM. Monday to Friday. EST time. With giveaways of prop firm accounts. And live trading. What a dirty 1 minute rejection so far. 15-minute one's higher. Yeah, we have to look into the 5-minute as well. That's pretty much questionable because we're dealing with the 200 EMA at this level. Right, so a rejection taking us below the 20s on a 5-minute close is not a good sign for me. It's a micro-internal rejection there, and that's clear that I gotta get out. If a 5-minute candle closes below the 20, I gotta get out of the trade. I'll just simply get out. As I said, the closing is very important of the candlestick. Not just the way it moves around while it's still active. And the 5-minute closing, I care about that one. Yeah. Interesting. Three minutes to go for this candle. Thank you for letting me know about it. I'll look into. Maybe it's worth a nice review and people can benefit from that. I'm gonna look into.
Order
Adding a
filled.
little contract here. Three minutes to go for this 5-minute candle, very important. If we get a such closing, it's not a good deal to be in a long here. That triple rejection, 200 EMA line there, is certainly something you don't want to see while you're sitting in a long. But we still gotta wait. 5-minute closing is very important. Once again, guys, you gotta sign up. We're having a lot of the giveaways today. 4 giveaways. $150,000 totally. Beautiful. Beautiful rejection so far. Come on, guys. We're ready to fly. 543 for the target. Copy trading 3 accounts here on the Lucid. Lucid is running, you know, crazy discounts right now. Let me share with you the link, guys. For the beautiful, beautiful reaction, guys. They pushed this one below the 20, but I told you what matters is the 5-minute closing. So I didn't get scared out because I selected a time frame which allowed us sufficient time for the markets to push back. Now obviously we need a continuation here. We're ready to go break even with our position. And that would be a great start, hitting the target on 543. Let's go, guys. Come on. Beautiful so far. I'm selling
Order
2 contracts.
filled.
So I secured a partial profit.
Order
One more.
filled.
I sold another one. Right? So we're left with 3 contracts long. I've secured $586 and we still have $500 unrealized. Let's go, guys. Come on. That's the name of the game. Really fresh. I am brand new today. Very optimistic about the whole thing. Let's see, what do we get here on the 5-minute? Certainly not concerned about a rejection as long as we find a way to close above The 30s. Very important for us to close above the 30s. I'm going to leave my 2 contracts open today, guys. Feeling really good about the whole thing. Ticktick Trader, Top 1 Futures, Lucid, and Savius. I have to update my banners with the actual prices that are right now. With Ticktick, with Top 1, with Lucid as well. This is an interesting spot where I'm gonna trail. 530s, I'm gonna trail with that. Come on. Looks great so far. Beautiful, guys. Come on, keep going. On this accounts that I'm trading here on Lucid, yesterday we needed less than 100 bucks, and I was not able to do it. Yet today we're putting together... Yeah, I'm gonna look into that one. I got an email about it from their CEO, and I'll have to look into that one too. $69%, 70% guys for the rate cut. 70% for the rate cut for the 10th of December. That's where we're going. We're nicely trailing this one, and we're still leaving it open. Looks like the selling pressure triggered around the 40s is not sufficient to scare us out. Oh, we're about to touch the target. Come on. I'm out.
Order filled.
Beautiful, guys. Celebration time, $1,552. There you go. That's the way to start this. Come on. Fireworks bust. There you go. Congratulations, guys. Huge numbers out there on our Lucid performance. Let me share with you, 155,000 again. You know, yesterday we had a terrible day yesterday, but we're back in business. I mean, we started really nicely with this account, 5 days in a row, 1,800. But then yesterday I totally missed my risk management. Thank you guys, come on. Let's go, like the video, be subscribed, join Discord. Utilize the coupon code SCRAMBLE for anything, pretty much anywhere. But I'll still like to do another $300 here. We just crossed the daily opening. I would still like to do that. We did cross the daily opening, but that do not confirms the breakout of the previous micro supply levels, such as the highs around 50, 55. Right, we should not underestimate this level. We did broke out at the daily opening. That doesn't mean we're opening the doors for a continuous pump without clearing those highs. Right, so careful. Yeah, I'm gonna set that right now. Personal daily loss 1,500. Personal daily loss action, liquidate and black. And we save this. Game over. Game over, guys. 1,500 max loss. Let's go. Come on. It doesn't matter what happened yesterday as long as we are having the possibilities not only to clear losses, but also build, construct, develop, progress, and learn from our mistakes. Learn from the things that we have performed in the past wrongly. Do we need to do mistakes to learn? Well, ideally not. Ideally we should learn from an abstract world. Ideally we should learn from educational materials and stuff like that. But when it comes down to practical activities, most of the time the human being needs the practical side of learning curve. And of course, from time to time, you do certain mistakes. Now, I got hit basically on my live account today. I did some trading right before starting. I'm 6,400 bucks equity. I'm not good there at all. You know, with yesterday's things, we actually not managed to perform sufficiently. Like the last couple of days were certainly not going too good. But there is no stress, guys. We're gonna come back, fight back, and of course achieve the targets on the long run. Once again, let me share with you our Discord community link. You definitely want to be part of our Discord. Come on. We're gonna build it up, guys. Whatsoever. $560s.
Order filled.
Testing a little contract here. Putting the break even.
Order filled.
Break even has been touched. Not a problem for sure. Oh, good job. Good job, buddy. 770 bucks. We're gonna get some volatility with Trump speaking right now. Good morning, everyone. Welcome.
Order filled. Order filled.
We're waiting. Daily opening has been touched right here.
Order filled.
Daily opening from the upside could actually mean An interesting level
Order
of
filled.
possible reaction.
Order filled.
We're supposed to get something from that daily opening, 545, 544.
Order filled.
Little push. Certainly would have the abilities to hit those targets. Come on. That was so close, guys. That was so close.
Order filled. Order filled.
Fully denied. Yep. 4 minutes to go and close this one. Nicely above the daily opening. My target is waiting. Oh my god.
Order filled.
Target has been touched. 1,936. Beautiful, guys. But I don't need that much. I have to lose like $100, so I'm gonna short the market.
Order filled.
I need to lose like $100.
Order filled.
Beautiful. We have lost as much as it's needed. We're fine. 1,827 for our consistency job. Fireworks time. We have completed the trading for these 3 accounts. Lucid 150k, Lucid Direct. By the way, right now it's 40% discount on their Lucid Direct. Right? Usually this is 35 or 30. Now, 5 accounts come at 40% each. 432 for an instant funding account that pays you $3,000. $6,000 end of the day drawdown. 3,600 daily loss limit. Maximum 5 accounts at 40%. Use the coupon code SCRAMBO. Let me tell you something. The payout target is at 9,000, which is 6%. But very important thing out here with the Lucid Direct accounts is basically you have your 6% first payout, which is absolutely normal, industry standards. 6% for the first payout. But then the second cycle and the upcoming ones are only at 3%, 4,500. That's insane. I told you about this thing yesterday as well. To earn 4,500 in your second and upcoming cycles and still receive $3,000 in payout, or eventually even more, 3,500 if you have the 4th, 5th, and 6th payout. I mean, if we do the math, you can have 5 accounts. 3,000 on each, that's 15 grand. 6 payouts is the limit. 15 times 6 is $90,000. The first 10, you receive 100% of it. Whatever is after, there is a profit split 90 to 10. Right? So that means from the 90 grand, 80,000 will be under a profit split. 10% of 80,000, $8,000 back to the platform. So from 90 totally, $8,000 remain, which means $82,000 possibilities in the sim-funded world to cash out. That's a lot of the money, guys. Right? So those of you that consider with prop firms, you're limited to $15,000, $20,000, and then the prop firm pretty much blocks you from whatever case. We have a clear situation here with the payouts to that level. That's a good money. And look at the market is exploding. We just confirmed the breakout. Basically, with this 5-minute move, we just confirmed the breakout above the daily opening. We have to open up the range. This is a beautiful higher low. Right, let me share with you. And my first idea would be around 730s. Yesterday, a volume with an average price closing 200 EMA right now. We have an internal supply slightly higher, but 720, 730 is the attractive point. And of course, the next thing we got to do is get into the hourly and do this. If this is a local bottom, then you want to have your reversed golden pocket around the 700s. Right, so let's not forget about that one. 700s for the reverse golden pocket. I'm gonna set up my copy trading from my test accounts on the 50K. Right, we have 700 bucks drawdown for Lucid tests, which are challenge accounts. What happens with your account if you receive 6 payouts? Basically, you're moved to live. You're going to move to live trading, and you're going to receive a live account. The Lucid test is right now at 81 bucks. This is what I'm testing. 81 bucks, no activation fee. Well, depends how you get through the live process. There's multiple ways of attaching. No, you cannot trade sim-funded accounts while you have live accounts. That's not really possible at any prop firm, right? So when you're having a Lucid live account or any prop firm live account, your sim-funded environment stops. Exactly, so there is a lot of the offers out there for the Lucid. 100K Lucid test, 141 bucks. Really good deal. But the instant funded right now are massively discounted, 40%. Usually there's 30, 35%. Minimum days to pay out, 8. Trading days, 20% consistency. I don't know about which platform you get for the live. Not sure. I have to research that. But when it comes down to selecting platforms for your sim-funded environment, it's just, you know, insane possibilities out there. Starting from Ninja, Tradeovate, TradingView, Lucid X, which is Project X, Quantower, and then the Rhythmic data feed. You know, it's just the best today. It's just the best. Heading towards the 600, guys. This is looking really juicy. Hopefully the crypto space is gonna follow the same pattern, BTC especially, which pretty much dumped below the 100s, but we didn't have an hourly closing below the 100s. Bitcoin did suffer yesterday. Not even mentioning the altcoins that actually got slaughtered. I wish you the best passing your test, buddy. Come on. If you're asking about Lucid Direct, I'll share with you which is better. Let's go to the Lucid Direct payouts. So let me share with you guys. One very important element between the 50K and the 150K on Lucid Direct. The profit goal for the first payout is 6% on both. Once you hit your 6%, you request your payout. On the upcoming cycles, we talked about 3% for the 150K, but for the 50K is 5%. So from the first cycle to the second cycle on the 50K, the decrease in the percentage is by 1%. Meanwhile, for the 150K is not by 1%, it's actually cut in half. And that's where you have an incredible advantage. It's cut in half, and the payouts are substantial. Let alone you can have 5 accounts simultaneously active. So you clearly have an advantage on the 150K. Welcome, guys. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Yeah, challenges are right there. Challenges are right there. And let me tell you something else with the challenges. Because you can nicely do both. Challenges, if you pass your challenge, you go into the Lucid Pro. And with the Lucid Pro, which means a funded challenge, like you pass the test, you become Lucid Pro. You need 5 separated trading days, 35% consistency, and your separated trading days needs to have a minimum profit per day like that. Small numbers, extremely small numbers. Make that buffer, and whatever money you make above the buffer. Basically, for the 150K, the buffer is at 3%. Whatever money you make above this 3%, it's 3% plus 100 bucks. Whatever money you make above this 3% on your 150K, you can cash it out. For the 50K, the buffer is at 4%. Right, so there is a difference. 3% for the 100K and 150, and the buffer for the 50K is at 4%. Plus 100, like I said, for each. That's pretty much general. You can actually qualify up to payouts of $4,000 here. No, it's really attractive, guys. Today I'm going to trade Savius, and I'll talk about Savius. Sure. I do have my test here on the 50K, 6 accounts that I'm trading Lucid test. Testing out a little short here. Very nice, juicy. Putting the break even. Come on, $1,065 would be beautiful, right? We would take that all day long. It's bullish today, guys. It's bullish today. That's my bias today. We're bullish across the board. Correct. Passing an evaluation. Evaluations are not having activation fees. And you can trade the evaluation that you passed within the same day you trade your funded account. You don't need to wait till tomorrow. That's interesting, right? You just get an activation account, a challenge. You pass it today. There is no consistency with the challenges. If you want, you pass it today. You don't need to pass it today. Like, the faster you try to pass it, the more risks you have to assume. And that might not be in your advantage for sure. Look at that. Shrank from the bulls is just 100% here today. They're not joking. Let me also measure from the flat top we had today. What does this Fibonacci speak to us? We talked about a 720, 730s, that is a significant level, 720, 730s, and that's where our 1.618 extension comes through. That's a significant one. Right, so that's a level. which maybe not on the 5-minute, but certainly on 30 minutes, 1 hour, concerns me for a possible short-term stagnation or pullback. In the meantime, we do have a nice possibility here for a continuation. I mean, if you have external news from Trump, external things he speaks about and shakes the markets, things might turn around. Hopefully he's not going to say any difficult word for the markets to digest. You know, they're just smashing and hitting the vending machine before the snacks out, right? Before the snacks come out, they're just shaking the vending machine, and then that's how people lose their resources, trailing stop losses. Welcome everyone, great to see you guys, so happy to be on board here. Let's go with our live stream. We traded really good today, I would say. We touched our target 1,827, $3,000 to be made. 2 days like this, 2 more days like this, and we're ready to take out $9,000 from Lucid. 2 more days like this. But I'm testing some test accounts as well to trade. Interesting distribution we have here. The limit is 4 minis. Depends. If you want to pass your account in a day, you can actually go between 2 to 4. If you don't want to pass your account in a day and you're allocated 2 or 3 days or 4 days, you got to consider, guys, the faster you try to pass these challenges, the more risks you have to assume. It's a great feeling passing an account in a day. It's a great feeling hitting a trade, making $3,000 in a trade, and just passing your challenge like that. But let me tell you something. The number of times it's going to go against you will be worth so much in a negative way for your balance, for your resources, that you have to understand those feelings that we get from hitting this kind of trades and this kind of wild numbers is definitely not worth it. Why? Because it's a form of YOLO gambling. You got to slow it down in the way you know how to trade. And that's what you got to do. So maybe 1 or 2 contracts. You're fine with that. Just passed the 50K. Congratulations, buddy. Think about you have your daily loss limit at 1,200. And if you're doing 2 or 3 contracts, your 1,200 is going to get hard quite quickly. Right, you don't have too much cushion with that. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. We got to pick those numbers up. Invite your friends as well. We've got $150,000 in giveaways. Our Discord community is the big place. Exactly. Exactly. That's what I talk about in one of my videos. That it sets up wrong mentality, circumstances, and standards. And that's definitely not the way for you to create a trading environment for your psychology of trading. Right, so for those of you thinking that you only YOLO the test accounts and no more on your past accounts, you're wrong. You know it's not that way, right? If you start YOLOing your tests, that's how you're going to behave as well with your funded accounts too. Why? Because you can quickly buy new test accounts and make it again. That's what you think so. But with this thing, with a quickly buying and trading like that, it might work once in a while. You might get to a payout here or there, but that's not the way the trading works, and certainly not possible in a personal funded account. Good morning, everyone. Great to see you guys. Make sure to like the video and, of course, join the giveaway. You got a link right there. You got to join the giveaway. We have hit our target today on 3 accounts for the Lucid trading, 1,800. So we have a great and profitable day so far. So excited about it because yesterday was pretty heavy. Yeah, that's my honesty, guys, you know. The feeling is great to pass the challenge in a day. The feeling is great to go for the big targets. But you know, that's the emotional side. If you look at the reality behind the trading, it's certainly not with the emotional side. It's with the opposite side. With a rational thinking, with a rational approach of a disciplined environment. Don't YOLO and expect not to YOLO continuously on your sim funded. Do not gamble and expect not to continue gambling. Right? If you have a bad day at your job, at your business, with your friends, with whatever kind of whatever, you start gambling. Could be a funded, it could be any other way. And the most important thing to be profitable is this button right here. This button right here, guys, from Project X. That button right there. That's the most important thing to be profitable. I mean, that actually increases your chances tremendously. You have hit your target, you click on that, you confirm all day a personal lockout. And you lock yourself out for the whole day. I'm
Order
opening a little
filled.
short here. Let's see if it delivers something below this level. Otherwise, I'm gonna quickly cut it away. Like, we have not been able to grab anything below the structure of 580s. Not immediately. I usually place my stop losses. I have a stop loss per day on my account, like max loss per day. Exactly. Personal daily loss is crucial, and then once you make your profit, you want to lock yourself out. End of the day. We've heard so many stories of people having an extra half an hour, an extra 10 minutes. So they spend their time at the charts, and what they do is they want to make an extra 200 bucks. And then it goes against you, so you start DCAing while the trade is going against, and it becomes bigger and bigger, and the market has a continuation against you, takes all the profit, and it's not stopping there. Because you start hoping it reverses, it's no longer worth for you to exit, and it's already a such mental game, like you've been going in a spiral, you lose the account. So for that extra 200 bucks that you didn't need it because you touched your target for the day, but you had an extra spare, like 5 minutes time, and you just went out there and traded. I don't like this. I don't like this. Yeah, I go break even as quickly as possible, especially with the test accounts. If I'm going on a bigger size, then I go break even quicker. Usually I do that. Right, so you have an extra 5 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour. And I'm telling you guys, it's hard to have extra free time, watch the charts, have accounts, and not to trade. Like, for real, this is hard. Might sound easy, but it's not. I gotta put my stop here. I'll put my stop right above the wick.
Order
I sold
filled.
the contract. I accepted $72 loss. Putting my stop loss right above this
Order
and adding
filled.
back to my position there. Come on, let's go for a cliff. Nosedive. Yeah. Exactly. Think about it. No, I'm out of this.
Order
It's
filled.
unknown what's going to happen here, guys. It's just gambling right now if I sit in a position. Even if I long it, it's still gambling. So I'm out. Better take a little loss and that's it, right? We got a flat opening algo 30 minutes before the New York session starts. We got to be careful on that 555, on 545. I'm also going to connect myself on the Ignite accounts for the Tap 1 futures. Our nice and old Ignite accounts that we're going to trade here. Let me just put up the banner. I think Tap 1 futures is still running those massive discounts and 55% with my code. Let me just quickly verify that one, guys, for you. Yeah. The Sim Pro accounts, 150k with my code, which gives you an extra discount than what is listed. Right? They give you 50. With my code Scramble, you receive 55. That's 5% extra from the original price, which is 700. 5% of 700 is $35. So this one comes at 300 with my code. 150k account for 300 bucks. But it's an intraday drawdown. Keep that in mind. Intraday. If you want end of the day, then you have the possibilities for about 400 bucks to get your 150k. Or their new model accounts, their Ignite instant funding, the 100k is only 249. Well, this is on 15% consistency, but you still have the ability to go 6 accounts. So with Tap 1 futures, you can have a maximum accounts out of each category. If you know how to trade, you can have a maximum account of each category. Let me drop you the link for the Tap 1 futures. Coupon code is Scramble as usually. There's not much cushion left for this test accounts that we have. 300 bucks.
Order filled.
Testing out along just to wick above the whole thing.
Order filled.
We might not get it. We had a temporary support on 570.
Order filled.
Order filled.
For the Tap 1 futures Ignite accounts, my target is on 500 bucks that I want to make per day. Adding
Order
one more
filled.
here. We're gonna get ourselves stopped
Order
down here.
filled.
For the Lucid test accounts. We're not passing the challenge today. Is this gonna be a slow bleeding all the way into our daily opening? 545, another 20 points from here. Let us see. I'm out.
Order filled.
488 accepted as a temporary loss. And I'm searching to get back around 545. There's nothing I can do. I have to take that loss. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Everyone, make sure to like the video, join the Discord, and of course sign up for the giveaways. Yeah, we had a short earlier, but it was a pretty unconvinced moment.
Order filled.
$584 looks juicy. We had a pretty strong 1 minute representation earlier. 5 minute is not looking bad. Let's go. Putting the break even. I'm gonna increase my target a little bit. And I'm out.
Order filled.
Great. We've recovered the loss. We've recovered the loss. Come on. Very important account today is where the Lucid accounts that are, 3. And we need 3,000 more for the payout. 2 days like we had today, and we're good to go. Those were the priority today. Yeah. Ticktick is delivering quick money, guys, for the payouts. It's the prop firm which is having a no consistency on their instant funded. Right now, it's $419 per account. Here's the link, guys, for the Ticktick. It's a profit score system. It's no consistency. You gotta collect points. The straight to funded plus, I'm talking about those ones that are the most efficient. 419. You can have up to 10 accounts. If you pay through Skrill or crypto, you can have an extra 5%. And that comes at the best with my code. 10 points for the first cycle, 7 points for the second cycle. 1 point is achieved by making 0.5%. You can let your winners run nicely. This is where we reached to trade live. We cashed out $30,000. We cashed out $40,000 from Tap 1. So we had 2 months and a half where we cashed out 70 grand from Ticktick and Tap 1. Interesting projection here. Lucid is really good. We just started with Lucid. Let me share with you when. On 27th. That's when we started with Lucid, on 27th. And we got a good opportunity here at this point. YouTube delay is about 7 seconds. Make sure you caught up. You click on that live button. Should be around 6-7 seconds. Green, a lot of the green numbers. Correct. It's a great system. $500 a day on the 100K account. That's all you need. $500 a day. And when you want to have a day where you let your winners run, you can make $3,000 in that day and accumulate because of no consistency. That's giving you extra comfort, guys. It's the whole system is prepared for you to reach the live stage.
Order filled.
Testing out a little long here. If it holds around this tops we had. It looks like not really capable. $5 minute, this is not looking good if it's not going to give us a rejection. There you go, rejection comes in as we speak. If it holds, we're fine. You know, otherwise I'm going to cut it away, of course, not an issue. Come on, we're set for the target. Couple of points to the upside. Market bouncing from here, and then it can die. I don't care about. But a little bouncing is on the book. Putting the break even. Come on. No. Don't you dare touching that one. Let's go. Come on. We were 3 ticks away from the target.
Order filled.
And we touched the break even. Welcome, guys. Make sure to like the video, folks. We got 150K for the giveaway. You certainly want to join our Discord community too. It's not bad the way the charts are looking. It's not bad at all.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can do the continuation after we printed this double bottom here. Otherwise, I'm going to cut it away, of course. It's a pretty dangerous level, considering we just reversed from the 65. But as usually, I'm going break even pretty quickly. If it has force to deliver with the impulse, I'm happy to take that. Otherwise, I'll just take the break even. Yeah. Nothing I can do because the entry is too high compared from the reversal point. I trade a lot pre-market because that's where I'm way more efficient, guys. So if we look into my numbers, what happened pre-market, let me share with you. What does it mean pre-market for me? This is what it means pre-market. Didn't trade it this one November, October. Well, we did trade it in August. There you go, guys. Tap on futures, 150k instant sim funded. Right, so this is for the entire month, and then we look into the other month. And this was copy traded on 3 accounts. It's just back-to-back winnings. Everything that I do is pre-markets.
Order filled.
Testing out a short here. Putting the break even. Market looks cooked.
Order filled.
We touched the target, ladies and gentlemen, $500. We're gonna run celebration time for that. That's actually deserving a nice round of celebration. Tap on futures hitting the target for us. Come on. Celebration time, guys. Hey. Look at this accounts. Like, why is it not loading up? Stats are not loading up. Now it's fine. Still a profitable month, even this way. I'm gonna connect myself to the other Ignite accounts too. I think this is still going down. Let's see. Oh. I'm trading the wrong accounts, guys. I'm not supposed to trade this where we touch the target. Look at that. I'm not supposed to trade this. We touched the target here and we celebrated earlier. I should have switched. But I did it wrong. Come on.
Order filled.
Yeah. Yeah, Ignite accounts. How many trades do I take in a day? I like to be aggressive, so my philosophy around the number of trades is to minimize as much as possible in terms of time exposure. Time is certainly, as soon as I'm involved in a trade, is not in my advantage. So the more time I spend in a trade, the more I expose myself to uncertainty. So I like to increase my sizing, which is my strategy, and that's why I have 2 or 3 trades, 4 trades. Most of the time 2 or 3 trades for a target of 1,800, and I decide to deal with 6-7 minis instead of doing triple more trades for the same performance. That's how my strategy is built. So time is your friend when you're not in a trade. But when you're in a trade, the uncertainty is there. Those that say there is no uncertainty do not know what does it mean to trade, right? When you have a live trade and it's going on, it's happening, you can't say you're not involved in an uncertain area. You have strong probabilities one way or the other, but the uncertainty is always there. So time is your friend only when you're not involved in a trade and you're waiting, which is a important quality you need to have as a trader. To wait as much as it's needed. Yeah, I'm gonna trade those today, no. Another advantage of not trading your accounts that you have is to have many accounts. Right? If you have many accounts, you can nicely move between your accounts and continue to trade your accounts and touch your targets, and or your targets or your stop losses of the day. Or there is another thing that I experimented, is to have an account that you dedicate, which could be a challenge somewhere that could be very cheap or something like that. No, our live account is here. Is on Tradeovate. We had a loss and we're not trading it. We had a few losses back to back there and we're not going to trade it. Interesting possibilities here for the markets to push a little bit, right? There's going to be something with this. Either this way or you're just going all the way back. We'll see.
Order filled.
We'll see if this level holds or I'm just going to get out. I'm going to cut it.
Order filled. Order filled.
Putting the break even, guys. Let's go for the target. Come on. Oh, what happened there? What happened there? Look at that one. We just wick into my take profit and it didn't got filled. Absolutely madness. We nicely got cheated out from the take profit here. You see, this is why I go big sizing, quickly break even. Because I need small movements on an impulse from levels that are proven. One tick away, but that tick is actually touched, right?
Order filled.
We touched the break even. Beautiful, right? I don't need a big move. I'm happy with a small move which happens before the big move. Because I adjust that from the sizing. So, again, that's my philosophy. I don't need a big move. I'm trading the small move. So I don't care about it because the small move happens before the big move. And I adjust that, I tweak that from the sizing. I'm going basically into levels that are usually generating a few points to the on my direction, so I can quickly go break even. Looks like you don't have the ability to understand the response and you don't get the logic behind it. There's nothing I can do about it. I'll give you a few minutes to think about, so you can relax and think about. There you go. Get back tomorrow once you got to the point. The profit target is a little bit higher. I mean, it depends on the account we're trading. If we're trading the $1,800 accounts that I'm searching for my targets, then of course, depending on the sizing. So I do have a financial target, not a target based on points. I'm not working with fixed targets on points, not working with fixed stop losses based on points. The stop losses are set financially or manually based on the structure. When there is a clear invalidation, I'm out. I'm out, right? So when there is clear invalidation, I see that I'm out. I don't care about my stop loss if it's further away. Urgently, I'm selling. So there is many nuances that you guys have joined recently on my stream will be able to discover if you are here. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord, and of course, join the giveaway as well. $50K challenge, where there is a daily loss limit set by the company at 1,200 on the Lucid, which I think it's quite fair. 1,200, guys, it's good. The company is already setting you with that. You're fine with it. I don't think a modification is required to that. We got all the way back to the daily opening. This is an interesting spot. 4 minutes to go and the market opens. I should have bid this level, guys. I should have bid this level with a daily opening. We already have 8 points, and that 8 points would have been sufficient for me to make my money.
Order filled.
I just got back into...
Order filled.
I've been talking about a daily opening, and instead of setting a limit order there, totally forgot about it. 3 minutes to go when the market opens. I'm also going to trade my Savius account soon, and I'm going to announce a huge discount on the Savius accounts. I'm going to announce that soon. Stick with me, guys. Let me open up my Quant Tower.
Order filled.
You see the movement that...
Order filled.
No. Daily loss hit. Daily loss hit. We just accelerated below the daily opening, guys, and we touched the 200 EMA here. Certainly expected a stronger reaction from that level that has not been received. But that's why we have the stop losses. Look at that, we are getting it. Great to see you, buddy. Welcome. Great to see you, everyone. The giveaway is going to start soon. You gotta be signed up. Let me verify how many of you have already signed up for today's. 183. We had another loss today on the live account. We have 3 days back-to-back losses. Bad performance there, really bad. I don't like it at all. I want to have 2 more days here, just like we had today. And we'll take our $9,000 payout from Lucid. So basically for Savius, market opens. Here we go, guys. Good luck, everyone. Careful with the numbers. Market opens. Yes, there will be a wheel spin today. Yes. Look at the Savius new promo, guys. Look at this is the new promo. Buy 1, receive 1 as a gift. You'll have total 2 accounts. Buy 2, receive 3 as a gift. Total 5 accounts. Buy 3, receive 5 as a gift. You'll have a total of 8. This is the current promotion on Savius. Santa mixed up the months and arrived a month earlier, guys. That's the promo they put up with Savius. Scramble coupon code. The link is there. Yep. Look at the drop we're getting, guys. Absolutely madness. So you buy 1 and you get 1 for free. You buy 2, you receive 3 for free, and that's a total of 5. Let's see what we can do on the trading side. Are we taking this one all the way back into the highs? Wouldn't be bad to follow through with that zigzag pattern. No activation fee. This is instant funding. This is only instant funding, guys. I don't know how they skipped Black Friday, certainly. But what's the difficulty? Putting the stop loss right below this. And the target has been touched, guys. We spiked into my target, 1,535. There you go. Look at that. $1,535 is the daily net P&L. We just spiked into my target. Look at that. Now you can see the whole thing much better. That's the link right there for Savius. No activation fee, instant funded. Let me show with you. Let me show with you the accounts we're talking about. Here, these are the accounts. Buy one, receive one for free. So, the payout is at 5%. You gotta make 5% to request your payout. They are all instant funded. 5%. Full price for each account. Correct. Full price. Yeah, you have a lot of the platforms to trade, even from iOS. Yeah. So full price. 5% target. The payout, for example, for the 150k, buy one, get one for free, which means you're paying 639 and you're getting two accounts. 639 divided to 2 is 319 for an account of 150k. The payout is 3,000, but you're getting 90 to 10, so you're getting 2,700. You're paying 320 to receive 2,700. That's almost 10 times. Then the next thing, if you're buying the other way around, by buying two accounts and you receive 5, so you're buying 639 times 2, you're spending 1,278 and you receive 5 accounts. We divide 1,278 to 5, it's $255 per account. Right, so 255 bucks if you buy 2 accounts, but you receive totally 5, it's going to be $255 per account. Now to get this, you have to spend 1,278. If we speak about this one. The one thing you got to be very careful here, you know, the max daily loss is $6,000. The target is 5% for any account. But there's one thing you got to be very careful. The daily max loss is a hard breach. So you need to set a stop loss prior to that. The Tomcat is $2,000 hard breach. Set a stop loss at 1,500. And don't touch it. Make it a soft breach. Trick them. Use this trick. It's not complicated. In terms of the platforms you can trade, right? So you get to set a stop loss at 1,500. These are the platforms you can trade on. Yeah, you got to set a stop loss, otherwise the hard breach is obviously buy one, get one for free, basically, is with all the accounts model. You get a payout when you reach your target at 5%. So once again, this is their promotion for the moment. Valid until November 15th. Oops, sorry guys, no opening bell. Let's see what we can do here with the trading. In the next account, we made our target there today. Thank you guys. 20% consistency, 10 trading days. 20% consistency, they're instant funding, right? So the consistency is there for all the instant funded. And 10 trading days. Coupon code SCRAMBLE for this discount. The link is right there. you have to avoid the daily loss limit, which is a hard breach. So if you have the daily loss at 2,000 on the 150k, set a stop loss at 1,500. Don't cross that, and it's gonna be fine. So you can trick them by putting a stop loss and transform that hard breach into a soft breach. You can do that. The 100k account is 539, and you're receiving 2 accounts at 539. So it's $269. Lucid to put on the same prices, right? Lucid, you know, the coupon code is Scramble on Lucid too, but the offer is a little bit different. With Lucid, the offer is a little bit different, guys. $539 for 100k, but you receive 2 accounts at this price because it's buy one get one for free. So $269 basically. It comes down. Testing a little short here. Might get a couple of points down. We're gonna find it out. Bring it down, baby. Come on. My target is there. Putting the stop loss on break even already. Let's go, guys. Come on. 10 points needed. Now, break even has been touched. No problem. If they make it into a soft breach, they will have to increase the prices a lot. So they can make this whole thing into a soft breach, but then they need to increase the prices a lot. Any account is buy one, get one for free. Any account. Right, so on Savius, any account. Let me share with you the promotion once again. That's with Savius promotion. Let me give you the links. Market's nicely dropping. And it would hit my target. Code is scrambled pretty much everywhere. It would hit my target, right? Honestly, I'm very happy about adding 2 contracts here. And I will be adding 2 more there. Giveaway starts soon, guys. Don't forget signing up. Let me verify how many of you have already signed up. 207. Let's go, guys. Come on. Putting the break even. And going with a limit order to the top side. Beautiful trade, right? Look at the entry level. Absolutely perfect. We nail it, guys. Come on, let's go to the target. This is textbook trading. Thank you, guys. Like the video, everyone. Yep. I got my stop loss there. Data comes out, of course. Well, it's very close to touch on that target. Five seconds to go. Come on. Push this one upside. Let's see, what do we get? What kind of volatility? I'm gonna trail. I just trailed, guys. I'm trailing higher. Come on. I'm out. $1,516. Look at that, guys. $1,516. It's confirmed right there on the other side. You see it. Celebration time. $3,000 made today on Savius accounts. $1,500 each. Beautiful, guys. Made great money on that Lucid accounts. Made great money on the Savius accounts. Hit the target on our Ignite accounts. Had some daily losses touched, of course. That's why we have stop losses sometimes to touch them. And we've got some crazy discounts from Savius. But guess what, guys? Guess what, guys? Guess what? Time to play some games. Time to have some fun. And time to start. But you have to wait. Wait, 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 wait. Don't guess. Don't guess. Do not guess. Thank you, Quantum. Thank you, Quantum. Appreciate your great words. So, let me tell you about the giveaway, guys. We are preparing. How to join? Well, to this point, you should have already joined the giveaway sign-up list. You have to be on the sign-up list, right? You have 30 seconds to sign up. Yeah, we're great with the news. I've been checking that. How to participate? Like the video, everyone. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Click the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time, daily. Trading, education, great community, great vibes, and of course, giveaways. And the third thing you want to do is join our Discord community. These are the three things you want to do, guys, to be able to participate. So you had time till now to join the list. This is the very moment I'm going to download all the participants. I'm going to export. Good job. So I'm going to export all the participants. You can start right now, guys. This is going to be a $25,000 top 1 futures end of the day drawdown account. Instant funded. Instant funded, $25,000 top 1 futures. You can start right now. Let me know your numbers between 2 and 9 $25,000 top 1 futures instant funded. End of the day drawdown. 1 guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. It's not working. It should work with the volume. Should work. I can see it working. Only 1 guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. You should be fine with the volume. Stop. No more guesses. It's over. Should be fine with the volume, guys. Should be fine. No volume. Maybe right now. Is it fine? We're gonna shuffle and trigger. Good luck, everyone. Come on, let's go. Good luck, everyone. Between 2 and 9, $25,000. End of the day, instant funded for top 1 futures. Come on. Good luck, everyone. Winners will be moved on the duck race. That might be the triple number 3 we have there. We can't pass that, guys. We have enough 4s to get into. And that's going to be the number 3, I'm telling you. Congratulations for the winners. There you go. Number 3. Congratulations for the winners. Good job. Let's take the winners on the second round and let's bring them onto the duck race. Hey. We're gonna bring the winners on the duck race. $15 guys out there. Wow. Only 15 guys. Competing for 30 seconds. Only for 30 seconds. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, guys. This is an instant funding account on top on futures, $25,000. Come on. Good luck, everyone. First giveaway. We're going to have plenty of giveaways today. Our bots were asleep. You know, it's hard between 2 and 9 to get all the numbers. It's hard. Let's go. Who's going to speed up? Sovereign. There you go. You got this. Congratulations. This is not your first time winning. There you go. But we're going to make sure you are on the list. Right? So what we got to do here is we got to make sure you are on the list. So I'll take your name and make sure you're on the list, buddy. And there you go. Congratulations. We got you on the list. You have signed up for the giveaway. Great job. Congratulations, buddy. There you go. Good job. Continuing with the second giveaway. Oops. No. Let me refresh the page. Let me refresh. You can start right now. Let me know your numbers. Come on, let's go. Between 1 and 3, guys. This is a $25,000 top 1 futures. Between 1 and 3, $25,000 top 1 futures. Sim Pro account, which is also instant funded. Sim Pro. The Sim Pro account on 25K. Good luck, everyone, by the way. Between 1 and 3. Plenty of guys guessing number 5, number 7, number 8, number 9. Look at that. We got some players out there guessing all the numbers they think about exist. All the numbers they know about, they heard about. Oh, look at that. Number 6, number 7. Beautiful. So we got the rules guess the number between 1 and 3, and then we got people putting out number 7. Stop right there. No more guesses. Stop right there. That's it. No more. That's why we changed the numbers. We're gonna shuffle this only once. One more time. There you go. Good luck, everyone. This is the second giveaway today. We're gonna have 2 more. We have a triple. We have a quadruple fourth. Look at that. With a number 3, guys. 4 times in a row, the number 3 back to back. Look at that one, guys. Inevitable. That's gonna be a number 3 once again. Hey. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Plenty of you will be on the duck race for sure. 37. It's not even that much. 37. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Join Discord as well. 30 seconds for your competition time. Hey, that's beautiful. Shuffle once, and we're starting. 5 seconds to go. Come on. Who's speeding up? City Craft. Congratulations. There you go. Hey. We're running giveaways with instant funding account of prop firms. Come on, let's go. We're running giveaways. Come on. City Crafty. Let's see if you are part. Let's see if you're part of the... Where's your name? Let me find your name. Where's your name? I can't see your name here. Come on. Where's your name? I can't see your name. But I better search for you manually, right? If we search like this, you're gonna be on the list. There you go. City Crafty 6569. There you go. 6569. Congratulations. Congratulations. You can attend basically tomorrow. City Crafty. Congrats. There you go. Tomorrow you can join us, 8 AM EST time, sign up the list of the giveaway, complete a form, and you're going to be here. You are seeing your name. If I search for you, you're going to be here. Beautiful. Moving on to the third giveaway. Listen up, guys. Listen, listen, listen. You know what you get? You get a $50,000 Lucid direct account. Direct account. You know what does it mean, that? That means a $300 account. This is what you're getting, guys. 50K Lucid Direct, 300 bucks account. So careful how you behave. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. You can start right now. You can start right now. Let me know your numbers. Come on, you can start right now. Between 1 and 2, guys. Between 1 and 2, that's it. Pretty simple, straightforward. Easy money, right? Between 1 and 2. Make sure you guess between 1 and 2. Some of you do go about other numbers. And that's quite interesting. Only your first guess is accepted. Attention, if you are guessing multiple times, only your first guess is accepted. We're putting a stop right there. No more guesses. That's it, guys. This is a $50,000 Lucid Direct account. We're just going to shuffle this once and we're good to go. Good luck, everyone. Like the video, be subscribed, join the Discord. We got a double one right there. We might stop on the blue one. No, we're not going to stop on the blue one. That's going to be the number 2, guys. That's going to be the number 2. And it's a number 2 between 5 number 1s. Look at that. Oh my god, what a feeling. We have 5 number 1s. Look at that. That 3 and 2 more here. And the single number 2 in between. How does it feel for those of you going for number 1? How does it feel for me showcasing this one? Oh my god. We had 82 winners. Ho ho ho. Ho ho ho. Competing for 30 seconds. 82 winners. And we're gonna shuffle this once. Start. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, guys. Come on. It is. Let's go. Let's go. 10 seconds to go. 4 seconds. Look at that. And we got 365. We got a British guard. British guard Sasa. But let's wait and see if he's actually on the list. Are you here? You're here, buddy. Congratulations. You actually joined a giveaway. Hey, Sasa is rejected. Congratulations. Great job, buddy. Look at that one. Good today. Really good today, buddy. Having a great time. Really good time out here. Profits today back and forth. Lucid, Savius, top one. And the last giveaway, guys. And the last giveaway. So, and the last giveaway. Watch out, watch out. Watch out, watch out, watch out. I'll give you a difficult exercise. I'll give you a very difficult exercise. You have to wait. You can start right now. You can start right now. Come on, guys. Let's go. Guess the number. Guess the number, guys. Come on, guess the number. We have a number 6 there already guessing it wrong. Come on, guess the number, guys. There you go. Someone is going with number 9. Beautiful. We got a number 7 as well. We have a number 2. That's fine. Come on, keep going. We got a number 6. There you go. That's lovely. For those of you that got it wrong for some reason, you're not going to be on the list. Look at that. We got a number 3. We have multiple number 3. Yeah, the problem with the audio is on your side. There you go. And stop right there. We're stopped right there. No more. No more. We have stopped right there. So listen up, guys. We're gonna shuffle this once. Turn the wheel. Allow the number to play out. Get excited about. Get excited about. Look at that one. What is it gonna be? Is that gonna be the green or the yellow? Is that gonna be this yellow? However, I need to tell you what's happening with the duck race. So I'll take all the winners. I move you to the duck race. Congratulations, by the way. And from the duck race, top 3 will qualify for one more round of duck race. Right? So top 3 will qualify for one more round of duck race. And then only the best one wins out of that top 3. Look at that one, guys. 175. 175 on the list. That will compete for a minute. A little more than usually. So top 3 will go to one more round of duck race. And from that top 3, only the winner is gonna take the grand prize. Shuffle. We're good to go. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Let's go, Jake. Come on. It's your massive opportunity. You've been out of the duck race for a while, but since we managed to move everyone, you have a 100% chance. You have a 100% chance. Look at the quantum is amongst the tops. Daniel right there. But we need the top 3, guys. Top 3. Come on. One day, you're gonna win back to back. So the time you win is gonna be back to back. Top 3. Come on. Who's speeding up? The last 6 seconds are important. That's the time you want to see your duck moving, guys. Swimming. The last 6 seconds right now, you gotta see it speeding up. We see Superman. So let's find it out. There you go. These are the top 3. First, I'd like to see Norb Rich. I'd like to see Norb Rich. Are you here? Yes, you're here. Good. So we'll take you basically into the second round, Norb Rich. Good. Let's verify the other two as well. We want to make sure, basically, the winners are here. Kara. Are you here? Yes, you're here. Good job. And then the third one. I gambled. Whatever. Do we got you? No. You're not here. I underline gambled. You're not here, buddy. So the third one from here didn't sign up. Daffy Duff. Let's find it out. Daffy Duff, are you here? Yes, you are here. So the fourth one is actually qualifying. Good job. You are here, buddy. Right, so these are the first three that will compete. There you go. And you're gonna go... You're gonna go for 30 seconds. Right? Shuffle. We're good to go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. And we got congratulations. Look at that one. Norbridge winning $50,000. Ticktick Trader straight to funded plus. I'll verify that. I'll verify that in a minute. So Ticktick Trader, Norbridge, Ticktick Trader, $50,000 straight to funded plus. The link is in Discord. The link is basically attached. Let me verify if you have signed up. And if you have signed up, I'm gonna introduce you tomorrow. Don't worry about. I'm gonna qualify you tomorrow. Right? If you have signed up, I'm gonna qualify you tomorrow. Let's verify this. Do we have you here? Yes, you're here, buddy. I'm sorry for that, but I'm gonna introduce you tomorrow. So join back on the stream tomorrow, 8 a.m. EST time, and I'm gonna put you back on the list tomorrow. I'll qualify you basically tomorrow. We're gonna do this tomorrow again, and I'll qualify you tomorrow. Don't worry about it. You did not lose your chance to win an account. Good job. So, congratulations for the winners. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We had a tremendous run. Look at that. Close to 700s. What we talked about, actually. Do you guys remember we talked about this level? And that's exactly what we touched. Do you guys remember? Just watch the live stream. Early minutes of my live stream talking about the video, the stuff where the market could go on the hourly. And I've marked you this level. I told you 720s, 730s. It looks like we went into 715. Look at that one. Beautiful, guys. Thank you once again for watching. Have a lovely day. Have a lovely time. Looking forward to it tomorrow. Coupon code SCRAMBLE for everything. The links are right there on my Discord, on my YouTube. You can ask for anything. Let me know if you need any help on Discord. Private message me. Winners, you want to take your accounts by dropping me a message. Have a lovely day, guys. Looking forward to it tomorrow.